about it.
Alright, guys.
Go all the way around. Look at the whole box.
Here's the got an unboxing video. This is the new vacuum system. And what kind is it, Mommy?
Read it.
Daredevil, right?
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Tell me your first name. Andre Johnson. Andre Johnson. Your first name? Mario.
And here's the manual for this. I think I'm gonna put the link to the manual in the description if they have one.
Yes. How long have you been girls in the same school?
I believe 4 years.
Mario, have you ever been to Andre's house?
Only once.
And here's the quick question list.
Yeah, you could say that.
And here it is.
There's any way to guess.
And it's really heavy once you carry around with it.
Did you ever have a party at your house?
No, ma'am.
Yep.
No.
Were you over at his house?
Yes.
Yeah.
Last time you were at Mario's
Once you come.
A while ago, ma'am.
How long ago? A month, 2 months?
You want me to pull it out?
Yeah, you can.
What were you doing at his house?
Hanging out.
And here's the vacuum.
How does it look, Daddy?
Looking good.
Nice.
Come on, mommy.
Mommy.
Stuck.
Just a moment.
Okay.
Alright.
Wow.
Check it out.
Yes.
Here?
You telling me that you were at Mario's house?
Oh, that goes in there. All right.
Right?
Saw all the stuff in there.
I believe he was. I wasn't there present, but my father told me.
Where's the manual?
It's right
Oh, you
there.
got all this over here. Okay.
Yes.
He just
So lay it all down there where they can see the whole thing now.
I think this one works on, you can use it on floors too. But this is the awesome thing, look. It's got a pet hair claw.
Oh, put all those down on the floor. We can get a good picture of them.
Hold on. I need to set up first, Daddy.
Okay, set it up. Does that go here or here?
Is that here?
I'm not sure. Look at the picture.
The manual
Look at the box.
goes in here, yep. Where does it go? Let's see. Is it here somewhere?
Oh, it clips right there, yeah. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Hmm?
Oh, okay. It snaps in?
Yeah.
You want me to hold the camera for a minute?
Yeah.
So I could sort of know what was going on rather than my son going to his
Yeah.
house. So I'm going to ask you again. Don't try to figure out where I'm going. Did you tell your mother that you were hanging out at Mario's house?
Yes.
You did.
Yes.
At the time you were doing it.
Yes.
And what did your mother say?
Be careful.
Be careful. Yeah. But you have nothing to be careful about. Because
All right.
Yeah, because we have
Working.
violence on our streets.
We what?
We have like violence, like not a lot, but around where we live. So.
Oh,
That's
A
not
low battery.
low battery.
because of violence.
That's
Yeah.
all right. I can still see you.
And it also turns off when the phone needs to be cooled down. It stays off.
Mm-hmm.
When you, yeah, remember that, Daddy?
Yep.
Remember, Mommy, about that?
Hey, Petula.
The phone needs to be cooled down before we can use your line. Alright.
But that's really not true. Your son liked it. He was his friend.
And here's the manual for this.
And whether he told you or not, I don't know. But it's not true.
Yep.
He didn't go to his house to hang out if he was.
Let's see the front.
We understand each other, Andre.
Yes.
Now, you were driving your mother's car on the day of the accident. I want you to tell me that.
User manual.
And be careful.
Yeah.
It was on Thursday,
What else you got over there?
Thursday at
8:30.
This,
in the morning.
Yes.
just the
Housing with my
question,
friends.
the little frequently asked questions.
You gonna get a close up of that?
You,
Yeah.
Javier, and
Oh,
you
okay.
came to me, and that's
Alright.
I got my car.
Now what?
And
I don't know.
Asked me for
I don't know.
threatening me.
Where's the extension cord on it?
he was that. Why would he threaten you? He was your friend.
That's why you're in my car, man. That's why. When I got my car, that's what
It's right here, Dad.
It's here.
Look. See?
You see that cord?
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. That's cool.
Yep.
That's a long time.
How does it go back in? You have to pull it all the way out?
I don't
Yeah.
know.
To you.
Let's see. Yep.
Do we have to do anything before first use, William?
You got your car.
Let's see.
Won't you read the manual?
Here this year.
You've still been to his house since you got the car, according to what you told me before. You said a few months ago. January's a long time ago.
I misspoke. I mean, this year.
I know this year.
Okay.
Let's see.
So you were with your friends and
Mario came up to me and like said, "Give me your car keys," like threatening me, and I gave them to him.
he took your car alone.
No, there were two other people.
Where was Javier?
Daddy.
Was he in the car?
No, did
Show Petula on your camera.
I did.
cars.
No, did he get in the car?
Use that, Daddy, on the camera.
Mario.
Tula and William.
I don't know the other grade.
That's Bearcat William.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Hmm?
And they took off, and it was around
Let's see.
39.
Insert
and Sergio
handle.
ran up to me and said they got in an accident, and my friend Rodrigo drove me to the scene of the accident, and I saw the damage, and they're in.
Yeah.
Your Honor,
Let's see.
March 2nd or 24th.
You have to insert handle way into the vacuum. Secure.
Weather
codes,
alert.
mommy.
And I never asked.
Okay, I don't-
Did you want to go check the weather alert out?
I was the passenger. She was the one in the back
I
seat.
just heard your weather radio, William.
We got the
Yeah.
parents were coming back to school.
Hold on.
He was driving. His brakes don't work. He's panicking.
Yep.
He tells me that.
Yep, we
to
got
switch
that.
Seats with him. He wanted me to switch seats with him because he didn't want to get his car insurance. He didn't want to do anything with his mother. He didn't want to.
I want to see a police
Yeah, we have to secure the hose here first.
That I didn't have a license because I took the fault for him. And it was a $400 ticket unless I got my license, which I did in less than a month, and I paid $25.
That's very nice. You told the police you were driving?
Yes, because I
You're
took the
responsible
hospital.
for the
Alright.
accident. Then you're responsible for the accident, Mario. I actually don't believe a whole bunch of what he's saying to me. I actually don't
That
know
it?
who's driving. But if you told the police, if you sworn the police
Alright.
that you're driving, you're responsible.
Now we just need to plug it in, mommy, and then give it a quick run.
Okay,
All
let's
right.
see.
And you got a car, and you got your license.
Hey, Daddy, mommy.
Okay, does anything go here?
doing, crazy?
Yeah,
What you
that
doing,
does.
crazy?
that does, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Here. Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right. Hey, mommy, can I do a quick test?
Oh, I see. Okay.
A quick run?
Yes, you can do a quick run. How does this go in? Like this?
Yeah.
I see the police report.
I can't get it to.
No police report.
Oh, bless you, Daddy.
Oh,
Here.
Oh, wait. Oh, really?
Here?
Oh,
Pictures of the car if you want to see it.
okay.
And a letter from my insurance company saying that they did it because Mario was not insured on my car.
All right, here, let me look at the
My insurance company have a license.
manual.
I got
I don't
this.
think that goes like that, though, William.
I don't know, yeah.
Where's the manual?
It's right here somewhere, yeah. Is it here? Yep, right there.
Okay, let's see.
I want to see a photo of it.
Insert handle wand into the top of vac. What's the handle wand? This? Okay. Now wrap the cord around the cord hose.
Yes.
Okay. Push here and pull the handle backwards to recline.
Yeah.
Just for my own information, you should take a look and see the value of the 2001 Toyota Camry.
Can I do that?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where the tools go.
Where do tools go, Mommy? Is it here?
Let's see. Goes like this.
Is it here?
Hmm?
Just to the plaintiff's name out to $1,525. Saying it's a big thank you.
Hold on.
I just can't figure out how to put them all on here. Let's see.
Put them all on here. This.
Is this your
We already got this part installed.
Right.
But now we just need to find
But
the
it's upside down. That's what's wrong. Look.
upside down.
Yeah. This is upside down.
You're sort of close to her. Yeah.
Then right here, right?
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Okay.
Your granddaughter
No.
was staying in a condo that you
No. No.
Oh, sorry. Hold on.
and then you let your sister move in with you.
Yes,
When?
May 2014.
And you
What goes in here? Look.
And at some point, Mr.
Oh,
Gray
this.
and he loaned her some money. How much money did she loan you?
$5,000.
Okay.
And how much did you pay back?
I had originally paid back the full $5,000 and then had asked for $1,000 of it back.
No.
When did you
No.
Does it go in there?
and why
No.
did you need the $5,000?
No.
No.
It was a loan on my tax return.
You can check on the box. Oh, yeah. Look, look, look.
Oh, it does. Oh, but this comes off.
But this tab here.
Bills, certain things like that. I
Okay.
had asked for a smaller amount.
And this
but
goes in
because
here.
I was getting my tax return, she offered
Yes.
And what did she need the $1,000?
You got it? Yep. Got
I think
it?
so.
so that I would have a way of transporting myself.
Yep. You see that little lock thing at the bottom?
Yep. Okay.
Did you pay her back?
All right. There we go.
Things started happening.
So you're not going to give me any
No.
Let's see. Where can I put? Is
There you
it
go.
upside? Yeah. There we go.
Okay. And then, where's the other piece?
Oh, it's right here.
No, the one,
The one.
the one with the fuzzy wand on it.
With the wand.
Yeah, remember?
Moved into the
Well, check in the diagram.
my sister Sarah.
That's all right. Okay, so should we plug it in?
Yep. And then give it a quick go.
All right. Oh, you got the wand. This is what I was talking about.
Yeah.
So now you're going to tell me another story. So I'm just going to put my pen down
No?
and listen to it. Why don't you owe her the $1,000?
In short, she
Is it
was
somewhere?
lenient
Oh
with
wait.
me paying her back the
Here.
$1,000.
There we go. Here.
And she was
Ta-da! Yay!
If you needed money,
All right.
that's not the way to not need money. Have more children.
accident.
You ready, Mommy? Can I plug it in now?
Yeah.
And then do
Pull
it.
it.
Say accident. You said accident.
It wasn't necessarily intentional, but I wasn't just going.
Which one did you push?
Oh, is it plugged in all the way? Yes, it is.
All right, turn it off. Pretty cool, huh?
All right.
All right.
Currently, I'm on
It's on a hardwood floor, that's why it's loud.
Is that a beater that's making that noise underneath?
A
Yes.
A rubber beater?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Who do you live with other than
You
your
might
two
be able
children?
to lift that up a little bit.
Yeah, it has.